Want to learn how to use YouTube Music? Today I'm going to walk you through the steps of how that works and how to set up a playlist for you to use using YouTube Music. Thank you to Guiding Ohio Online for allowing us to bring these services to you. This is Kathy with the Salem Public Library, and let's go ahead and get started. If you have the YouTube Music app, or if you don't have the app, you can download it through Google Play for Android or the App Store through an iOS product. You are also able to access it through your computer by typing in YouTube Music, and that's where I'm going to show you today how it works. The app is very similar to what I'm going to show you today. So let's go ahead and go over to the internet, and I have typed in my browser musicyoutube.com. And this is different from just the YouTube channel. This is just music that goes with it, but it is in conjunction with YouTube. So on the first page here, if you are signed into your account, which you will need to sign into your YouTube account, and you'll see your icon for signing in. Once you're in here, the first page you'll see is here's the Home tab. And this is where you'll find the top hits from 2020. Right now it's featuring the songs of the year. And then if you scroll down, it's just other certain songs that they find are all-time essentials. They have winter vibes, they have charts, trending songs. And as you can see, they have it narrowed down from different types of playlists. So one thing it will ask you to do first, it will tell you, it says, tell us which artist that you like. And basically by doing this, it'll create an experience for you more specific to the type of songs that you like. So let's go ahead and click Let's Go. And it will give you a list of different artists. So I'm just going to go down through and click 5 because it asks you to pick 5 different artists, and what it will do then, it will give you a super mix of music to get you started that is mixed for you. As you can see here, it's created some of the people that I've chosen on the other page, and I'm going to go ahead and click My Super Mix. And so what it has done is taken some of those artists and some artists that are similar, and it put it into a mix for me. If I go down through, I can see all the different songs, and you can see over here to the right, you have the option of making them, if you like them or don't like them, if you know who they are, you can click that. And what it will do, it will tune the recommendations of songs that are on your shuffle mix to play. So if you want to shuffle the songs that are in here, you can click shuffle. Once it has put in the shuffle, it has put them over here to the right, and you can see them. You can see the lyrics to the songs that are up next. And down here at the bottom, it's very similar on the app. You have the play, you have the previous song to go forward to the next song. You also here have repeat off or on. You also have the shuffle. So if you decide, I don't like the order that these songs are in, if you click them, you can drag it into the order that you want them to go. So if it's not the order that you want, it's very easy. And you can do the same thing on the app. There's 2 little lines on the right, and you can do that. So also, as you can see here, while I'm hovering over this, there are 3 dots. If you click that, you have some more options in here. You can click Start Radio for the group that you're listening to. You can play next. You can add it to the queue. You can create a library, and I'll show you the library here. You can add it to your liked songs. You can create a playlist, or you say, you know what, I don't even know who that is. You can remove it. So you have a lot of options in here. So let's go back to the home button and let's go to explore. So if you are on the explore, you can come in here and you can choose certain things that you want to listen to by new releases. So I clicked that and basically it brought up new release songs. Also, you could go by chart toppers, moods, and genres. So if you scroll down here, they are marked down this way, and you can scroll down through to determine which ones that you're interested in. You also have the library. And in the library, this is where you can add your playlists, your albums, your songs, your artists, and your subscriptions. And the nice thing about this is free. This is the free version. There is a paid version, but this basically gleans from YouTube videos and the songs that are posted to those artists there. So if you want to create a playlist, you can create one here, and then you can put it in here, and you can even determine the privacy. Do I want it to be private, unlisted, public, or public? So if I make it private and I click save, only I will be the one that sees these songs. So here's where you can go to add albums and songs and artists through that. So let's go back to the home, and I'm going to click on country hits. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to add this to my library. So now when I go to my library, I will see that that is in there. Now I will have something in these where before I didn't have anything. So if I want certain songs to go into this, I can add them to it from this. So if I go over here and I click this, I can click add to playlist, and it is going to go into my songs. If I click that, it has added it. So I'll show you now in my library. If I go to in my playlist to my songs, there's one song in there that I added. So as you can see here, there's a lot to this, and there's really a lot more I could show you, but since this is beginners, this will at least allow you to get started in here and play music. And like I said, if you're using it on the app on a mobile device, it's very similar to this. It's more compact, but the same aspects are in it that are part of the online version by going there to the YouTube music. So if you want to upgrade to the premium, I believe it's like $12.99. And otherwise, you can continue to enjoy the free version. There are ads as part of it, and you don't get the features that are available with the premium, but still you can get a lot of great music for free through using the free version. So I hope you have a great day and enjoy listening to some great music.